80 animals.
Sparrow.
Hi again. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you today? I'm very good. We're going to learn about sparrows today. This is a sparrow. It's a small bird. Now we'll look at pictures to learn some words.
Field. A field is an area of land. Farmers grow crops in a field. Sports players play sports on a field. In the picture, the sheep walks between fields. Scarecrow. This is a scarecrow. It looks like a person. Farmers make and put it in their field. Then, birds don't come to the field because they think the scarecrow is a real person. Harmful. If something is harmful, it gives a bad effect on something else. In the picture, the man smokes. Smoking cigarettes is bad for his health. Smoking is harmful to the man.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Scarecrow. Harmful. Field.
It's time to read a story. After you read, you'll take a quiz.
What wild bird is the most seen around town? It would be different from place to place. But a sparrow may be the answer in many places. A sparrow is a small bird. It lives in a town or on a farm. It makes its nest on a building, house, or in a tree. A sparrow lives in a flock. They eat small insects and grains. Fields lose a lot of grains because of the sparrows. So farmers put scarecrows up in their fields. But sparrows are also helpful to humans. They eat insects that are harmful to humans. What does a sparrow eat? Grains. Scarecrows. Why do farmers put scarecrows in their fields? To feed sparrows. To stop sparrows from eating their crops. What is true? Sparrows are always harmful to humans. Sparrows are easily seen in towns.
How was the class today? Was it easy or hard? That's all for now. I will see you next time. Goodbye.